This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is your emergency lockdown system activation. This is an emergency broadcast authorized by the Prime Minister Revsling of the Empire of North America and Europe. All citizens remain calm and listen carefully. As of 600 hours, rebel terrorist groups have infiltrated the capital district of our great union. The enemies of our unity now threaten to very foundation of the empire. Effective immediately, a full-scale lockdown is in place. All movements outside your assigned housing until it is strictly prohibited. Any individual found outside without classification will be denied or neutralized. My loyal citizens I have this empire to last 1,000 years. We have not fallen to crowds hiding behind lies and sabotage. Stay in your homes. Do not aid the enemies. Trust only your government. Trust only me. The empire stands so long as you stand with it. Glory the empire. Obedience is strength. Wait to further instructions from your loyal command center. This is not a test. This is your emergency lockdown system.